Chloe, do you want to get a new swimsuit? Go look in there. Take it out. What's in there? Take it out. Do you want to get a new swimsuit, Chloe? Show me. There's the new swimsuit. Do you like it? Show me. So the swimsuit comes shipped and packaged with a little business card. Chloe, do you want to try it on? Let's try it on. Alright, so here we have the swimsuit. We're going to open this. Chloe, do you want to help me open it? Alright, here it is. A size 18-month swim dress for Chloe. And you can tell the size on the inside. It has a little tag in the leg seam. It says 18 months. So here it is. Let's put that on her. Now, not all the swimsuits have this new size tag yet with the new label because we just started converting to these. So not all the swimsuits have them, but the latest swimsuits all have this larger label and then the size tag attached to it in the back of the bodice of the swimsuit. So I just wanted to show that. And then on Chloe's swimsuit, you can tell that the seams are all done on a professional serger. And they're all properly overstitched. This is on the inside. It's all very well made. And in fact, the inside of the bodice has the seam completely hidden. If you follow the sewing directions that are on my website for Cute and Covered, this seam is not a hidden seam like it is here on the inside. And you can see how well it's finished by the seamstress here. This is a bit more complicated, so my instructions, I went with a simpler method that doesn't have the finished end on the inside. It's only finished like that on the outside. So that's one advantage to getting the ready-made ones, is that they're made on a serger by a professional who knows how to do the inside of the bodice professionally as well. Alright, so here she is. Chloe, do you like your new swimsuit? Come show Mommy your new swimsuit. So pretty. So pretty. And you can see here that the leggings. Stand up, baby girl. You can see here that the leggings are separate from the skirt. So even when the little skirt goes flying up, the leggings are on. And it's all in one piece, so the top does not separate from the bottom. Hi, baby girl. Turn around, baby. Let me show the zipper in the back. And there's a zipper in the back so that, you know, it can be taken on and off easily because it is a one piece. And there she is. Chloe, do you like your swimsuit? Yes, I think you do. Hi, baby girl.
Alright, you guys look like you guys are getting a little bit cold, so what I need you guys to do for me is guys give me one big bottle.